Here is how to add your email address to your Instagram profile. So if you want to add your email address, then click on this little profile icon in your Instagram. So click on edit profile. Scroll down, you can find personal information settings. Tap on that, it will take you to personal details of your Instagram page. So here in the top, you can find contact info. Tap on that. You can add your email address now. When you tap on add new contact, it will ask you for adding mobile number or adding email address. You need to add your email address. So tap on add email address. If you tap on that, I have already added my email address. So it will show me that it will replace my email address, whatever I add now. So if I tap on that, see, it is showing me like this. If you have not added email address, it won't show for you and it will add your email address. The thing here is, if you need to display on your profile, click on this email after adding. So here you can see who can see your email address. If you tap on these blue lines, it is showing me that I need to change visibility on my Facebook. So if you need to display on your profile, you need to change that settings on your Facebook. Let's hop into Facebook. Click on this Facebook. You can go to three lines and here you can find settings. Scroll down. You can find profile details in audience and visibility. Just scroll a little bit and here you can find email. If you tap on this pencil icon or pen, it is showing me two options that whether I need to change that info or otherwise sharing with. So if I click on sharing with, because I need to display on my profile. So if I click on public, that will automatically display it on my profile. If I click on friends, that will be displayed to my friends only. If I click on only me, that will be completely private for me, only me, that I only can view my email address. This is how you can add your email address and displaying on your Instagram profile. Thank you.